Hey guys, welcome to CryptoGene. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the most popular decentralized exchange out there, and that's of course Uniswap. I'll also give you some tips and tricks that you should probably know before using Uniswap. So without wasting more time, let's get started. Right off the bat, I'll warn you about the biggest problem on Uniswap, and that's the gas fees. As the Ether value keeps on increasing, along with the extremely high traffic on the Ethereum network, the fees have become insanely high, as much as $50 to $100 per swap at times. That's without the extra fees you have to pay to give Uniswap permission to spend each and every token. So if you're planning to make a small trade worth around $100, I highly recommend against it. Hopefully, all these problems will be solved with the release of ETH 2.0 or Uniswap version 3. But it's still important that you know how to use Uniswap and things to be aware of before using it. When you first visit uniswap.org, you are greeted with this homepage. Once you are on the homepage, click the Use Uniswap button right here or on top, and it will open a new window with the Uniswap app. You will need to connect your wallet to get access to Uniswap. So simply click connect to a wallet and you can choose the wallet of your choice. The most popular is of course MetaMask, but Coinbase wallet as well as Trust wallet are very popular as well. I'll be choosing MetaMask here. Once I click MetaMask and give it approval by clicking connect, your Ether balance should reflect here. Now to buy a token with ETH, all you'll have to do is go to the bottom, click select token and choose the token of your choice. If your token is not on this list, all you'll have to do is open CoinGecko, choose the token of your choice. For example, let's take Bondly. Click and copy the contract address. Go back to the Uniswap app, click select a token and paste in the address, contract address, and just import the token if you'd like. I understand, import. Now you can trade ETH for Bondly. If you want to trade the other way around, Bondly to ETH, just click the arrow and it will switch. For example, let's try to buy 0.1 worth of Bondly. Here you can see the approximate amount of Bondly you will receive, and to receive that Bondly all you'll have to do is click swap. Confirm swap. This will pop up the MetaMask notification window. Here you will see the gas price and it will ask you for confirmation. A cool thing that most new people don't know is that you can actually change the gas fees price. Go to edit, and here you'll have three options: slow, average and fast. Depending on how fast you want the transaction to go through, you can choose either of these options. The higher the fee, the faster the transaction goes through. Of course, it gets very expensive the higher it goes. You can also set a custom price if you'd like. Go to advanced and here you can see the GUI price. Right now it's 220, which is a lot, but you can also reduce it to say 50 or 100 if you like. But don't go too low than the current price because your transaction will not go through and it will waste a lot of your precious time. So be aware of that. Right now, let's take 100 for example and save. And you can see the price has dropped from 80 to 38. But I'm pretty sure the transaction will not go through instantly right now. But I don't want to buy Bondly right now, so I'll be rejecting. You can confirm it if you like. You can see your previous transactions up here. Click your address and all your previous transactions should appear down here. Once you have your token, let's say I have Ample for example, and I want to convert it back to ETH. In this case, I'll have to give Uniswap permission to spend Ample. As we can see here, when I click max, it shows approve Ample. This will create another transaction which will cost a bit more money. You can also edit this transaction to cost a bit less because this isn't a time sensitive transaction. So a lower gas fee is preferred in this sort of transaction. But if a transaction is time sensitive, a higher fee is always preferred, of course. This is why every time you get a new token, it is preferred that you approve the token instantly with lower fees. When you do this, It'll save you a lot of headache in the future. Here's an important tip. Never max buy a token with all of your ETH in your wallet. This will create a lot of problems in the future when you want to trade the token back to Ether. This is because Ether is the blood and soul of the Ethereum network. And if you max buy a token with all of your Ether, then you'll have no Ether left in your wallet. This will prevent you from sending the token to any other wallet or to convert it back to Ether. So always keep that in mind. Never max buy a token with all of your ETH. I personally like to keep at least zero point 0.1 ETH in my wallet for gas fees. I cannot stress this enough. Always have extra Ether in your wallet for transaction fees. You can also play around the settings a bit if you like. Transaction deadlines is basically where Uniswap cancels your order. Once your transaction exceeds the 20-minute mark, Uniswap cancels the transaction. This will revert back the funds to the original wallet. You can also change the slippage to a higher percentage, such as 2 or 5%. But I like to keep it at 0.5%, which is the default. If you'd like to see the prices of the token in real time on Uniswap, then you can use tools such as DEX tools or go to info.uniswap.org. Or you could simply just click charts right here. I already have a video on DEX tools up on the channel, so you can check that out. I also have a video on Etherscan, so you can give that video a watch as well. I'm sure you'll learn something new. That's it for today. I hope you found something useful in this video. If you did, please consider liking the video. It helps out the channel a lot. Also, consider subscribing for more crypto related content. Goodbye.